Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure thing. Fuzzy k-means clustering is a powerful algorithm that allows data points to belong to multiple clusters with varying degrees of membership. It's an extension of traditional k-means clustering, which assigns each data point to a single cluster. Let's go through a step-by-step tutorial on implementing fuzzy k-means clustering in Python using the scikit-fuzzy library. Make sure you have it installed by running. Now, let's dive into the code. This code generates sample data with 3 clusters, applies fuzzy k-means clustering, and visualizes the results. Feel free to adjust parameters like the number of clusters, fuzziness parameter m, and others based on your specific use case. I hope this helps you implement fuzzy k-means clustering in Python. ChatGPT.